Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, I'm going to talk about my Hermès wish list. Now, this is just a fun wish list. There's no sense of urgency in getting any of these items, and it doesn't have to be in any particular order, but these are the items that I have been browsing and I've been thinking about getting from them whenever I get the chance to travel to a place that has an Hermès boutique. So we're going to talk jewelry for our first category, and number one on the list is another CDC bracelet, or if not, a Kelly Dog bracelet in possibly a palladium hardware, maybe in black with palladium hardware, or if it's not palladium, then maybe something in the color gold with a gold hardware. I've also been thinking about white, but maybe not like stark white, maybe more like ivory, like chalk, like the color gray. I think it's really chic for summer. I've been really loving my CDC bracelet, and I find myself gravitating towards it whenever I just need one piece of a statement jewelry that I could just throw on and leave the door. That's the thing about like a big cuff. That's why I like having like big statement cuffs, is that you just throw one or maybe even two, one on each wrist, and then you're good to go. With other pieces, you might have to layers, and you might have to stack. Sometimes you're just not in the mood to do so. I find the CDC really chic, and I find it really goes with everything, and it adds an edge to an outfit. Maybe if I'm dressing a little bit more feminine on that day, a CDC bracelet or a Kelly Dog bracelet would give that kind of like edginess to the outfit and make it a little bit less feminine. Number two on the list, still in the same category of jewelry, I've actually been really looking into their horn jewelry. I know not a lot of people actually purchase from their horn jewelry collection, but I do actually find them quite chic, and I love their earrings, the horn earrings. I think again it will be great in the summer, because sometimes in the summer we will travel to a beach area or a more tropical weather that is a little bit more humid. I find wearing a lot of metals like gold or silver can be quite uncomfortable when you are sweating and it's like humid outside. So maybe a horn jewelry would be a little bit more appropriate. I think one earring that I've been looking into is called the Isthme or Isthme. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's Isthme jewelry, and I think it's really chic, and I love kind of that tortoise shell kind of vibe. It goes with everything, and it is such a neutral that it can go with any outfit. I've actually also been looking at their silver jewelry. I find the Hermès jewelry in their silver and gold are very interesting in design. There's a cool vibe to it. I love the loop earring. I think it is really chic, and also I love their Farandole necklace, the really long one that you can layer and style in a different way. But I think Hermès doesn't really have a good aftercare service for their silver jewelry, and silver tend to tarnish really easily. I'm really spoiled with Tiffany's, where you can just like pop into any Tiffany's anywhere in the world and they will clean your silver jewelry for you, because it is a bit tedious to clean your silver jewelry on your own. It can be quite tedious sometimes, and I've just been really spoiled that I can just pop in and have them clean for me. And with the prices that Hermès has for their, you know, silver jewelry, I think that they should have a better aftercare service. Okay, number three, we're going to talk about SLG. I'm not really one to hoard a lot of SLG wallets and everything, although I do love pouches, especially travel pouches, but I do use all of them when I travel, or most of them, so it's not that I just buy them and collect them at home. So I don't really have a lot of SLG on my list, but I have been looking at their Calvi card case, which I think the design is super simple but also very chic, and it comes in so many different colors. They are so beautiful, seasonal colors. In terms of the Hermès bags, I'm not very adventurous, and I probably will never get something in a bright color, but I feel like I could be more adventurous with color when it comes to SLG. So I would love maybe a Calvi in one of their blue hues, or pink, or even the green. Their greens have been really beautiful lately. Also a Calvi and Verso, so they have a different lining color. Now let's talk shoes. Number 4. As much as I think the Oasis sandals are really cute, I do prefer the Oasis compared to the Oran. I'm really not a fan of super flat sandals. They're quite cute for summer, but they're not really chic all year long. And I find the Oasis heels, they're really comfortable. It's not really high, and you can wear them for hours walking without feeling tired. And I was looking at their website. There are so many other styles other than the Oasis with the same stacked heel height, but with a different style on the front side. I think the Camilla mule is really cute. I also like the Celena sandals. I would like to get any of these sandals in that heel height, in maybe a black or a white in the future. I do have my Mona sandals, which is again with the same stack heel like the Oasis, and I find them really comfortable, and I would like to maybe get another sandals from Hermès in a different style in the future, knowing that it will be comfortable from my experience with the Mona sandals. Number 5, we're still in the footwear category. I love a good loafer. I think there are such great pair of shoes. They're very unisex, androgynous. They're very versatile. They can go with any outfit. They're great for casual. They're great for dressing up. I would like to maybe purchase a pair of loafers in the future. I know that a lot of people like their Paris loafers, which are really cute, I must say. They're really pretty, but I think with my experience with the mini Constance belt with the H buckle, I think I would like to avoid having loafers with those H buckles on the front, especially shoes. Then you know you have like 2 H buckle one on each side. As much as I think they are such pretty shoes, I would probably go with something else which is still in the loafer style, but maybe not with the same buckle. I love the Colette loafers. I think they're really chic, and not everyone would know that you're wearing Hermès. Number 6, in terms of ready to wear, I would love to get a silky item from Hermès, maybe a silk blouse, something with their iconic design, you know, like their scarf designs on a beautiful piece of clothing. One of my dreams is to actually go to an Hermès sample sale in Paris whenever they have that. They have it twice a year. I would love to go to one in the future, because then you can get ready to wear for like, I think 70 or 80% off. Number 7 on my list is the Hermès blanket. Even though you've seen this way too often on people's home on Pinterest or Instagram, I do still think that the blanket is so beautiful, and it looks really cozy, and it's just such a beautiful accent to a living room. You can put it on your sofa, somewhat like a decor, but also a functional decor, maybe in black and white or in gray. But I have to really think about that one, because I do have a cat. Not that my cat scratches on anything. He doesn't scratch furniture at all. He's actually really good in that, but he loves wool, he loves blanket, he loves cashmere. So I could just picture him sleeping every day on that blanket, and I really have to think about whether or not I want cat hair all over the blanket. I'm not really interested in their pillows, because I'm really into the Chanel pillow. I think they're really beautiful and chic. So number 8 on my list in terms of homeware, I don't really want teacups from them, because I don't find their shape interesting at all, because it's just like a flat bottom. I love antique porcelain teacups because they are so beautiful, and they have this kind of like foot on the bottom, and I have one too many teacups already anyway. But I would like to add maybe a square dish It's something that I can use as a catch-all, and it looks beautiful maybe on a coffee table or on your bedside table. So the last two on my list would be their scarves. As you know, I love their scarves. I think they make the best silk scarves ever, and I would love to add more to my collection. Number 9 on the list, I would like to have their 70 by 70 centimeter scarf, because I don't have this size yet, and I think this size would be a great addition to my collection. In terms of design, I don't know yet. I like to just pop into the store and see which one looks better on my skin tone usually, or depending on their availability as well. Last on my list is another silk scarf from them in the size 140 centimeters. It's a huge scarf which you can wear as a shawl. I love the silk one because the colors are very vibrant as opposed to, I think, the silk and cashmere one. And I want a really big scarf that would go over my shoulder when I'm wearing a dress or a blazer or a sweater, and in a beautiful design. Again, I don't exactly know which one that I want. I would just like to pop in and see whatever they have in the store, but I definitely would love to have a 140 scarf in my collection. So those are the 10 things that I would like to add from Hermès. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any wish list from Hermès or any other brands that you like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!